I've assessed this facility, Federal Medical Center here in Jabi, for over 3 years now, and I've been pleased with the services. I was actually attending 2 other facilities, different private hospitals, one public and one private, but this is even actually closer to my house. Apart from that, the staff are very attentive, they're considerate and caring, that's the truth. And when you have questions, when you have doubts, they have a way of just addressing and answering those questions. Yes, sometimes when you go to the hospital and you speak to a professional, medical professional, something that has to do with your health, and they get offended for you asking too many questions. But I've never encountered that here. Be it at the point of paying money, activating my card, they're very helpful. Sometimes when I also come to get statements from, because of work, I need the statements to take back to the office. The staff are really helpful. They go over and above to help me. Being at this section of the hospital, I'm pleased. It's not the first time I've assessed these services, and I feel very comfortable. What else? What place for improvement? I know lots of people coming, and crowd control could be a bit of a challenge, and people coming with different issues, pressures, and being able to manage people is something that I see. Just a while ago, some patient came in and she was talking at the top of her voice, and she was being rude to the medical person attending to her. I felt that was uncalled for, but at the same time I could understand where she's coming from. But the person that attended to her was very professional, and that really made a mark on me, Other areas of improvement, maybe more seats, I think, would help patients, because people come in with different ailments. Some people can't stand for too long, and I think if they had more seating areas, that would be really helpful. But other than that, I'm really satisfied assessing this facility. I started assessing healthcare in FMC Abuja 2023 when I took in for my first child. Initially, I was attending antenatal care at a private clinic, which was my HMO, but along the line, I felt I should come here because I've heard that their services are good, so I'd rather pay than just access free healthcare using my HMO, and I would say that it was good. My experience during my delivery was really, really great. I would say that God really used the doctors, because I would have lost my child. The emergency was swift, beyond what I could expect, because my baby's heart rate started going up. Before I knew it, they mobilized me immediately, and everybody was working hard to see that my baby came. And for me, I am really, really grateful. And when I look at my son, I think of this hospital honestly, and I'm grateful. And that's why I even came back here to access other services like my family planning. I would say that is great, but what I noticed that some staff, not all of them though, but I guess it's the workload is much for them. Sometimes they get overwhelmed, and especially where people make payments and they don't answer the clients in a very kind manner, and you see long queues. So I think probably if they employ more staff, that would solve the problem. But I don't think I've experienced any other bad